Koalas are awake at night and they're nocturnal. Marsupial means they have pouches in their tummy and carry babies. Joeys they leave their mother's pouch at 1 year old. They carry babies inside their pouch. A tree with evergreen leaves.
Why is
Endangered 43,000 koalas left. Koalas weigh between 11 and 26 pounds. And that's some pictures. That's where Australia is. That's the baby with the mother. And then there's a koala food tree poster. And then I colored that koala. My mom printed. And I stuck some stickers on today. Koala.
Do you know what kind of leaf the koala bear likes to eat?
Eucalyptus leaf.
And so is that why that tree is on there? Is that the kind of tree that grows the eucalyptus leaf?
Yes. Do you have any questions? Zoe, how many bones do they have? I don't know yet. That's the only.
Good question. Something we could research.
What's your question, Addie?
Why are they nocturnal?
Nocturnal means that
Why are they nocturnal?
because they have these water that it has a little bit of protein, and it makes them so tired they sleep in the morning, and then they stay awake, have snack, then go to sleep. What's your question?
Can koala bears be another color than just gray?
No.
That's a good question.
Tula.
Why do they eat eucalyptus leaves?
Because it's so hot, they need water and food, and it's so hot, so they eat, and there's a little bit protein and has water, a lot of water.
Eucalyptus trees are full of water, the leaves.
Yes, Grace.
Are they mammals?
Good question,
Good question.
because it says the koala bear, and bears are in the mammal family, but no, they're in the
Marsupials.
They're in the marsupial.
Because they have hair.
They're in the marsupial family.
Not a bear.
One more question.
Koala bears are
One last
not
question for
bears.
Fatima.
Spencer.
How much of the little fur things do they have? Probably 100.
Their whole body is covered with fur.
Yeah,
probably
so
100.
About maybe
More than 100. 2,000. No, less than 100. 59,000. No.
All right, let's give Fatima a hand. Fatima a hand.